Hey, Kelly, your hair. Play with your hair. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Okay, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Start spinning like that. Don't choke her. Don't choke her. Just freeze, 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 freeze. So I'm gonna do flash of camera, a little more dramatic, more fashion. Okay, so I want to make sure both of you are in the shade. So you're leaning. Let's see if you do this. Yeah, relax. Now, when we're taking photos, I like always to see your V shape. Now you can get close to her. There you go. I like that. Okay, and just keep smiling. Get a little closer to her. That's so cute. Whisper something to her ear. Tell her jokes. Make her laugh. That's so cute. Now switch poses. You're gonna be here, and you're gonna eat, and she's gonna be in between your legs, and you're gonna be hugging, facing that way. Can you lean also with your hips on hips? Big smiling. Can you just keep leaning like from one side to the other, just so I see movement? And you can Kelly turn, look this way. There you go, like that. And you kiss her on the forehead. Ah, that's so cute. One more time. One more time. Kiss her on the forehead. Let's go standing. Standing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I know what. Your arm is gonna be, your hand is gonna be on his chest. So bring it closer to you. Closer. Pull her close to you from the lower back. There you go, like that. Arch your back. Your hand on her lower waist. So arch your back, like deeper a little, like if you wanted to kiss her on the cheek. There you go. But let me see your face, get a little more. There you go, like that. That's so cute. Let me more closer to her lips so I can see also your face. Talk to each other, try to get lean, to get close to her, to give her a kiss on the cheek. And open your head, like Kelly, let us see more of your face. 3/4 facing that way. 1, 2. That was good, that was good. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the other location. Yeah. Okay, so both of you like facing each other, closing your eyes. Let me see your face a little bit. Perfect. Now you can hug to each other, like just relax. What if you pull her, lift her? Under, yeah, under, no, you hold her under, yeah. And one leg up and one down. So no, one like this. And looking at each other. You can spin if you can spin. Look at each other, there you go. Don't fall. Awesome. And like, enough. Let's go. One, 2, 3, look at him. Red carpet pose. And bend the elbow a little bit. Look at that way, Kelly. Ah, that's so cute. I like that. Hold on. Like you were dancing. Give her a spin. Now, that pose, can you do it closer to the flash? There. That's fine. Just a little. Yes, a little. A little back. I want you just so the two of you holding hands, walking towards me. Start way there. Holding hand, walking. Looking at each other. Now you're gonna be behind him and you're gonna hug him like this. There you go. And you're gonna turn, rotate both of you, and lean on his back. Perfect. That's so beautiful. And you're gonna go lower, like that, like that. Like that, there you go. That's a cool one. That's good. Stay there. Come towards her, like this. There you go. And hug her. Give her a hug and start feeling like that. Don't choke her. Don't choke her. Just bring your elbow a little lower, Tanner. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. And keep dancing like that. Keep hugging like that. Now your elbow, your arm is way too across from her. So bring it, relax. There you go. Ah, that's so cute. Perfect. Now you can turn towards him. Lean on his cheek, close your eyes. Let me do a super close up. And Tanya, you're looking at the camera. And you're gonna be leaning on him more. So stand straight so he can reach you. You're only gonna be doing this, like this, leaning on. There you go. So cute. And 1, 2, 3. Wait, now let me do the full shot. And, oh, beautiful. And now, hold one hand. You kind of switch on the other side. Hold one hand, and you're gonna start walking and looking back at him. Walking that way. So you turn that way. And as you're walking, you're looking back at him. Okay, wait. Okay, and go. Look. But you can walk as well. Yeah, follow her. Hey, Kelly, your hair. Play with your hair. There you go. Perfect. Okay, that's good. Let's just go in here. Both there. Okay, there you go. That pose looks cute. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now can you turn that, like lean like me, that way? You know what? I like how you dress goes with the wind. Turn that way. Yeah, and let it. Let me take a picture of you having fun. And you do this when needs to. And you have your hand around her waist. So 1, 2, 3. But let me see your face. One more time. There you go. One more time. Kick your heel. Just the hair. Kick your hair. There you go. Give it a kiss on the forehead. Get close to her. There you go. Like, so cute. Roll your shoulder back. Remember, roll your shoulder back. When you're gonna go all the way leaning, you're gonna be hip closer for me. There you go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Perfect. Okay, now let's switch. Give me your best poses. Your time to shine. That's so awesome. That's good. Now remove your jacket to finish and have it here. Now you start walking slowly towards him and touch his shoulder. There you go. Lean on his shoulder, get close to him. And let me just move. So cute. Kelly, come a little close to me. There you go. Good. Done. You're done. We're done. We're recording. We're done. Thank you guys. Do you wanna say something with the camera? Thank you. Thank them. Say bye, goodbye. Awesome models. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye.